So we're here with the applied research team from the Faculty of Building Construction Sciences. We're down in Niagara Falls. We spent the day on site conducting flight operations for the Niagara Parks Commission. There's some projects in the works that they're looking to rehabilitate. So we started off with the former Toronto power generation plant, and in order to start they need a high-resolution 3D model. So we brought in our aerial LiDAR system, which happens to be a red band LiDAR. It essentially works like a high-speed radar gun, and it sends a laser pulse that bounces back off an object, and we measure how long it's taken for it to return, so we can then locate that spot in three-dimensional space. And while we were out shooting that building, we also shot LiDAR of the river. So another key aspect for them was knowing where the barge is relocated after it moved in that major rainstorm we had. In addition to that, we collected thermal imaging. So we used a forward-looking infrared camera, a FLIR camera. There's some concerns about excessive heat loss on the greenhouse, and we were able to actually collect all of that data, so when they redesign their greenhouse, if that is in the works or rework their existing greenhouse, they can actually just use the thermal imaging data that we provided to find areas of high rates of heat loss. In addition to that, we have students on site. They're actually helping with the data collection, so they're learning data collection using aerial systems, aerial platforms. And we're also taking that data back, and our students are processing it.
The problem right now is a lot of it's kind of expensive. Some people are kind of scared of it because it does take work. What Richard's kind of doing and we're trying to do is teaching people that when they do go to the industry, like, you know, it's there, we can use it, it's not scary, let's do it, and it can actually make your job a lot easier. And so it's kind of really rewarding for us because we get to be, you know, the pioneers of it. We get to kind of write the procedures on a lot of the stuff. And also, we're always up for learning as well. So we work with different clients that actually come to us and tell us to do it better or how to do it better. And that's a great partnership to have as well.